They challenged me to do something unusual with a coconut. Take a coconut and crack it open. Then remove the outer shell. Imagine you're doing a magic trick. It's all about flair here. Next, you need to wash the coconut. Give it a mini relaxing massage in the water. Sounds crazy, but after cracking it, it deserves some TLC, right? With the coconut clean and relaxed, keep peeling. Remove all the husk, leaving the white part ready to go. It's like undressing a fruit for its big party debut. See how clean it looks now? Now it's time to grate the coconut. Hand grating seems simple, but it's key for that fresh flavor. You can blend it if easier, but nothing beats grated coconut. Let's prepare the mixture now. Grab 4 eggs, but don't crack them like the cocoa, they're fragile. Beat everything with gusto. This is when you become a beating expert, like you're at the Olympics. Now, we're adding a cup of condensed milk. Condensed milk gives it that irresistible sweetness nothing else can match. It's the ingredient that turns any simple recipe into something spectacular. And another cup of regular milk. This is when it all comes together, each ingredient combining into an unforgettable cream. We add the shredded coconut, but not all of it, okay? Save a bit because we'll use it later. Keep stirring the mixture, don't lose the rhythm. This is the zen moment of cooking. Now it's vanilla's turn. I put it in a separate container to avoid overdoing it when adding it slowly. As the vanilla blends, the aroma takes you back to moments when a smell sparks memories. Does that happen to you too? It's amazing how a teaspoon of vanilla can change everything. Now we transfer it to a mold. No need to grease it, just pour it in. For a unique touch, we'll use the grated coconut we set aside. We sprinkle it on top for that crunchy texture we all crave. Who doesn't love that special crunch? Now it goes straight into the oven. For how long? That depends on your oven. But trust me, the aroma will tell you when it's ready. Coconut's so versatile, from smoothies to savory dishes. I've tried it many ways, always amazed how well it pairs. Tell me, where are you watching from? I love knowing where our viewers are from. If you're still here, you must be as excited about this recipe as I am. So dare to say, I love coconut, because we're not done yet. Remember to rate this recipe from 1 to 5. This is absolutely delicious.